Hello, Ilu. This is Raquel Torrent from Spain. And first of all, I want to thank you very, very much for the work you do. The interview is so fantastic that you go around the world doing. And above all, the one that I have just seen from Michelle in the mountain of the sanctuary. And it has touched my heart, and I've loved it so, so much that I really want to take the offer that he has made to go there. And I am a master and psychologist from Spain and working for more than 25 years in the field of personal development, helping people precisely with consciousness. It was a real great old idea of mine to create a University of Consciousness. So it has caught my attention that Michelle also wanted to do or has done the same thing. So because he said that he invites masters to go there, I would really like to take that opportunity and go there, but I don't know how to get in touch with him. So would you please send me to Raquel Torrent, Torrent, at Movistar, Movistar.es. You can please send me an email telling me his email or his address so that I can write to him directly and make him an offer of collaboration and going there. So thank you again for your work and the beautiful, beautiful heart you show in your interviews. And thank you to Michelle as well for what he has created that has amazed me. Absolutely. Thanks a lot. And Happy New 2012.